Hi guys, mag-unboxing lang po tayo na napanalunan galing kay Ma'am Althea. So ayan, bubuksan na natin at titingnan natin ang nilalaman ng box na ito. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 tube, 145 ml fluoride toothpaste. Next, dandananan, isang perasong sabon. Palagay ko dalawa yan dalawa yan. 2 pieces dermicidal soap, 80 grams. Next. 1 bottle 500 ml fluoride toothpaste. Sorry po. Bottle na pala, hindi pala tube. 3 pieces kiddie toothbrush with cap. 3 pieces adult toothbrush with cap. At wala na, yun lang po. Maraming